Hello guys, today I will be bathing my cat because he smells like a bin full of trash. If you didn't know, you're basically just going to see this, but not much I can do because of my bath. Yeah. So you're just going to have to sit here. I'll show you before results and after results. And then you get to see me struggle. So this is what I'm using just to get them clean. And this is what I'm using to make them smell good. Okay. Or maybe I should use this. It's too strong. The soap is too strong. But it does smell good. It smells great. But too strong. Okay. Just getting ready. Oh wait. I need to. There's dinosaurs in here. I wasn't lying. There's dinosaurs. Get in the sink. I put them in the sink. I'm putting dinosaurs. Oh yeah. Gross. My hair is all over the drain. I just took a bath. My hair is dry. Wait, it's time I'm supposed to veil my ex. This is the before results of my hair as well. So, here's my hair before. Don't wear the pajamas. I'm comfy, okay? Let me be comfy in peace. I thought I was actually going to make that in the sink. I didn't make it in the sink. It's actually right next to you guys. Your charging cord. Because you guys are actually at 7% right now. It was at 100% this morning, but my tablet is stupid and dies quickly. I'm not even apologizing to my tablet. Ugh, I wish y'all could comment on my videos where I show my face, but y'all can't. I wish I could comment on my best friend's videos, but she also is in 3rd grade. She's actually in my class. Her name is Claire. Claire, you're probably watching this, so hi. Got my knee wet. Should I keep the fish in here? I'm gonna keep it in. Oh, I love you, I love you. Oh my God. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you. I have that song stuck in my head, and it sucks. Okay. That scared the crap out of me. Okay, I need to pee, so I'm gonna put you guys right here, and you can see the cat that I'm going to bathe. Be right back. Y'all still alive? Okay. I'm done peeing. Come on. Let's get back in the bathroom. Just moving things. So you can actually see that right here. There, they're charging again. Okay, time to start the bath. Maybe even pull up my pants. I'm gonna get scratched a lot. Ow. Just smacked my lip and my scratches. I should probably clean out the bath, shouldn't I? It's full of my hair. Should I clean it out? I'll take that as a yes. Okay, I'm cleaning the bathroom first. Come here, fishy. You did nothing wrong, so. I don't know how to clean baths, so don't judge me. Just cleaning up the bath. Just cleaning up the bath. Hope you guys Jesus Christ. I hope you guys enjoy my little singing bath. Okay, I'm gonna start the one. Is it even raining? Wait, I don't think it's raining. Actually. Okay. So, this is where I'm gonna move to. Okay, I think this is how you watch the back. Okay, so it's not draining. Oh, it is. Wait, I don't want that yet. On the videos people are able to comment on, and if people actually start hating on them, little do the haters know, they're giving me money. To all you haters out there that comment on other videos, not mine, and hate on them, you're giving that person money. They're too dumb to know that though. It's not my hair, that's my hair. Let's see how much hair, around how much hair I lose in the bath. Okay, warning, this is disgusting. Kind of gross. It has soap in it. This came off my head. To some it's a lot, to some it's not. To me it's not. Usually it's actually more. Okay. Standing in here. No. Lots of okay. I don't know if y'all can hear me, so just wait for it to go. Actually, I'm gonna make a little show. I'm coming here. My name is Stegosaurus Rex. Rawr. Hi, Trudy. Kevin, actually. Sure. 10 years later, kid. I don't know how my mom and dad think this. Like, I don't know if I can do it. Okay, I think this is enough water. Yeah, I think that's enough. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get the sacrifice. You can tell. Okay, I'm gonna go get the sacrifice. Cheese sacrificed 2D to me. Cheese decided, well, I don't want this brother anymore. He sucks. Is that draining? yeah, I did too. Put more water. Okay, let's go. Oh, yay, I can burn again. No, I don't want you. Ooh, you're hot. Oh, hi, I'm David. Yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh, they're cute. Oh no, he's pregnant with this one. Okay, I think that's enough. Whenever I look something about to start in water, just turn your sound up. All the way. Not all the way, just as high as you want it. Because I know it's probably hard to hear me. Okay, I'm gonna go get the sacrifice. Come here, Tootsie. Tootsie, I'm gonna make you suffer. Come on, wake up. Let's wake you up, Daddy. You smelly little kitty. You smell bad. Ouch. Here's the stinky little sacrifice. Okay. Come on, buddy. Let's get you in here. Ready, buddy? I'm gonna get the towel a little closer. Where should I put it? Okay, buddy, I'm gonna put you down right now. I think he knows what's happening. And he does not like it at all. Okay, come here, Tootsie. You're not escaping until you're clean, buddy. Come on. We're getting in the bath. This time. You okay, buddy? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Okay. I'm gonna make you wet. But yeah, here's the before results of Tootsie. You ready to get started? Okay. Dude, except that you're getting wet. Dude. Alright. Don't you like swimming in your water? Okay, I'm gonna get him wet. Oh, my butt's already wet, guys. Get your little head wet. Get your butt wet. No, Tootsie, I'm not letting you escape. When I let go of your scruff doesn't mean you can leave. Okay. Woo! Come here, Tootsie. Come on. Okay, come here, buddy. Oh, I know. You're so sad. I know, buddy. I know, life sucks. Right now, at least. You're gonna be happy after this. I promise. You're gonna love it. No! Tootsie! See? You just got yourself more wet. Actually does me a favor. I know I'm not going to get many views on this immediately because Craft just posted a new video. But, oh yeah, do you like butt scratches? Whoa. Tootsie. Tootsie. Whew, I got him. These cats have worms. Did you guys know that? Did I ever tell you that they have worms? Do you look like you're peeing? Are you peeing, buddy? Well, what's good about this is you get tons of scratches. We only gotta do this twice, buddy. Okay. I'm gonna get you extra rinsed. No, Tootsie. Tootsie. No. You're standing over here. Okay, I'm getting your chest wet. No, Today? Okay. I wish you guys could see this. I need to find a way to actually be able to showcase what's happening right now. Because, like, it's good. Too deep. Quit it. You okay, buddy? Would you like to get on my lap? No. No. Come on. Calm down, buddy. Gotta do this one more time. Don't worry, you only have to suffer for a little bit more. Yup. Hey, 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 hey. He's gonna hate me for like the rest of the day for this. I know, buddy. I know. I'm the worst. I know, buddy. I made you suffer. It's all my fault. Are you okay, buddy? You okay? You want to get on my lap? Or are you just going to pee on me? Oh, that's cute. Anybody? Oh. Okay. I got your friend. Hi. Buddy. Hey. Dude, just get your feet in the water. You're not going to die. I promise. If you die, I will die. Okay? Have you guys ever imagined just how many channels there are that have been like taken over from bots because they died? I don't know if that's how that works, but like, and if it's not how it works, imagine how many inactive channels there are. They don't comment, they just do nothing. Don't post any more videos. The channels we watched today will soon enough have that happen. Like me. No one gets out of here alive. No one gets out alive. That's what my mom said to me today. Don't get your head wet. I'm sorry. You okay? Did you get it in your nose? I'm sorry, buddy. You okay? Do you hate me? Probably. Why is it so hard to get soap off cats? Dude, I'm gonna screw up your fur, okay? I'm sorry for screwing your fur up, but I need to get every single bit of soap so you don't become a slippery boy. Nobody wants a slippery boy, do we? No, no one wants you to be a slippery boy. We all want you to be a good, clean, smelly, good boy. With your cute little face. Imagine if he just pees in here. Dude, quit. He just tried escaping. Dude, you're making this harder. You're making this harder on yourself. I wish cats could understand what I'm saying. I should get a sponsor. Can somebody sponsor me? McDonald's. I should get like sponsored by McDonald's. Sponsored. Yeah, I should get like sponsored. But I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. You okay, buddy? Nope. Dude, you know, sure as heck, I'm not like it. Do you want to go to the more shallow side? Here, buddy. Come here. Oh, his heart is racing. Here, see, we're at the more shallow side. Okay, buddy? Now I have more water to scoop. And you have less water to be tortured in. No, you can't suffer for long. But I do have to shake the soap out of the water. Here's some of my scratches. Dude, are you peeing? No peeing. No peeing in the bath. Did I ever tell you guys that I used to pee in the bath? I used to. I don't anymore. But I used to. Like, it was like 4. Yeah, when I was like 4. I'm 9 now. That's actually not been that long since I... Whatever. I stopped doing it when I was like 6. Today? No. You're not leaving. Not yet. Should I even do a smelling good round? You smell pretty good. No, Tippy! When do you think you're going to get away with that? Huh, buddy? Okay, buddy. This is going to be the part that's hardest on me. Okay, buddy. I'm done. I'm not going to do a clean, a smelly good round because I feel like you're catching it off. Okay, I'm going to show my people. I'm going to show the viewers what you look like now. You okay, buddy? Oh, he's so mad at me. He's very wet. He's a very wet boy. It's over. I'm sorry, baby. I'm soaked. Oh, I'm sorry. At least you smell good. I am so sorry, buddy. It had to be done. I had to do it. I'm gonna dry you. No. Buddy, come here. Whoa, Tootie. Crazy boy. I don't know how you wrap cats. You okay, buddy? Oh, he's so cold. You okay? Oh, look it. You can see him shaking. Here, give him some kisses. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh, are you okay? Are you okay, baby? Oh, is he okay? Are you okay? What? Look at his foot. Oh, me when I force myself to shake. This is not the time to make memes. Someone is being tortured. Okay. How do I open the door, guys? Okay, Tootie. Tootie. You okay, buddy? You okay? Okay, hold on. I just have to let him. I just have to put him down for a sec. I'm not killing him. I'm not gonna kill my cat. The floor is soaked. Dad. Dad. He's so sad. I'm soaked. That's all. I got my Tootie. Anyone want some wet sushi? His real name is Sushi. Did y'all know? Did I ever tell you guys? Or have you just been calling him Tootie in your head? Because I always call him Tootie. Oh, my baby. Oh, say goodbye.